Hello, fabulous tax peeps. It is Shauna, your tax goddess. I am so excited because today is the day after the tax deadline, which means we are finally into tax filing season 2016. I'm so excited. So today I have 3 tips for you and maybe a bonus one, 3 tips on how to get ready for the 2016 tax filing year. Very first one, get your books reconciled. If you're a business owner, and I know many of us get super busy, right now is a great time of year before the rush of the holidays to get your tax books, get your bookkeeping reconciled, input, get everything ready so that when it comes to January, you can get in the front of the tax filing line and get your corporate returns prepared as soon as possible. Second one is to make sure that you're tracking your mileage. So I know we've talked about the MileIQ app before. I absolutely love that thing. It is my favorite app, and I will make sure that we post a link to the MileIQ app down below in our blog posting as well as on our Facebook page. So if you guys have any questions, MileIQ is one of the best and easiest apps to try and track your mileage, make sure that you're getting all of the miles that you should be getting for deduction for tax purposes. It's one of those weird things that the IRS makes us ensure that you have logs. We're not allowed to deduct your mileage without mileage logs, and MileIQ makes it super, super easy to do that. So definitely recommend MileIQ or any of the other mile tracking apps. As long as you're actually tracking your miles, that would be great. So that's point number 2. Point number 3, what we're looking at is planning. So doing tax projections. What a lot of CPAs, a lot of tax people will do is, you come into the office in January, February, start preparing a tax return, but by that point, the year is already over, right? 2016 in January of 2017 is already gone and over, which means that you can't do any planning, you can't make any changes. So getting a plan now, doing a tax projection now, so that not only do you know what you owe in April, but also what kinds of things can you do between now and December 31st to change that outcome, probably one of the most valuable things that you can do for you and your company. So bonus, love giving you guys bonuses. Point number 4, what I want to talk about today is actually from our bookkeeping team. So for any of those of you that have contractors on your staff or contractors that you've hired to work for your company, now is a great time of year to start asking for the W-9. That form is the form that you need as a business owner to be able to provide 1099s to your contractors. So if you have not yet started collecting W-9s for your contractors, now is the time to get out there and go have at it. Definitely something an administrative assistant can do for you. And if you haven't watched our video on outsourcing, definitely go back to our blog posting on that. We'll post the link down here below as well. Outsourcing is a great way to have somebody help you obtain these W-9s to make sure as a business you are compliant. So 2016 tax year, if there's any questions or anything we can do to help you whatsoever, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at Tax Goddess. We love this stuff, if you can't tell by the passion in my voice, and certainly happy to help you keep your taxes in your pocket and away from the government for next year. So have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys all later.